Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the header on your Wix website. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, my header is actually quite dirty or unorganized. So I have here some buttons that are unnecessary. So those things that are necessary, you can actually just click on it and delete it. Now, if that button is still unnecessary and you don't want to delete it, what you can do is you can actually incorporate its actual style into your header. So as you can see, my header is black and pink, while this one is blue and white. Now, we can actually just click on this right here and just change the design right here. Now, you can actually put in and customize the design that we have. And then from in there, you can actually just head over and click on fill color and then choose a fill color for this one. So let's click on pink right here in order to incorporate it. Now that we have done this, we can see that we have actually improved its overall compatibility to our site. So we can also just move this right here to our box. So since we have attached it through this one, we can actually just move it to where you want to put it. Now, this one is also not around the option or not around the compatibility of our actual website. So just click on the settings right here, and under that, this will appear. Now, you can change the cart icon style. So let's change the icon color into pink as well. And as you can see, it will be pink right now. Now, let's change the color of this one, which is a number fonted color. So you can change it by clicking on this one and clicking on the pink as well in order to change it right here. And then in here, as you can see, it now looks more neat than possible. Now in here, we have the menu. If you think that it is small enough, you can actually just change the actual size of this right here by clicking on the settings and just editing this advanced menu right here. So from in here, you can also see your actual website name. So you can click on edit text right here in order to change the text in here. So for example, we want to make it bigger, which is 60 right here. You can actually just do that. And as you can see, our actual header is still spacey. So we can actually just move things around in order to make it much more neater than possible. So let's move things up as possible, just like this. And then let's also move this and also this two right here. Now, once we have moved this, we can also just move this one right here. And then once we have moved this, as you can see, it looks much more neater than before. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.